13.2, 13th one. Two balls are drawn at random with a replacement from a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. Find the probability that both balls are red. First ball is black, second is red. One of them black and the other is red. That's a probability we want to find. So in a box there are 10 black and 8 red balls. 8 red balls. Find the probability that and two balls are drawn at random with a replacement. So with the replacement. So one ball is taken and it kept back. So here two balls are from that word with the replacement. We can understand that two balls are drawn, not taken together. One by one. Two balls are taken one by one with the replacement. Now we want to find the probability that both balls are red. First one. Both balls are red. So we assume that A be the event. First ball drawn is red. And B be the event. Second ball is red. So we want to find the probability that both balls are red. Two balls are drawn at random. Both balls are red. So A be the event. First ball is red. B be the event. Second ball drawn is red. We want to find both probability that both balls are red. That means we want to find probability of A intersection B. That is probability of A into probability of B given A. Now what is probability of A? Probability of A equal to, probability of A means probability that first ball drawn is red. Here there are 8 red and total 18. And what is probability of B given A? Probability of B given A, if the given A, that means if the first ball drawn is red, what is the probability that second ball drawn is red? Here it is with replacement. Balls are drawn with replacement. So after one ball is taken, again it is kept back. So it doesn't make any difference on the second row. So probability B given A, that is probability of getting red ball. If the first ball drawn is red, that is same as, that is equal to, after taking one red ball and kept back, again remaining 10 black and 8 red. So what is the probability of getting red in the second row? That is 8 divided by 18. Same. That is same as simply probability of B. That are independent events. A and B are independent. First row and second row, they are independent because with the replacement, from the word with the replacement. So we can substitute here probability of A, that is 8 by 18 into probability of B given A, 8 by 18. So here 2 by 4 by 9. Here 4 by 9. That is 16 by 81. So probability of A intersection B, that is probability that both balls are red, equal to 16 by 81. So write the answer in sentence. Now second one. Second. Find the probability that first ball is black and second is red. Find the probability that first ball is black and second is red. So A be the event, first ball is black and B be the event, second ball is red. So what we have to find? Then A is the event. First ball drawn is black. So what is probability of A? Probability of A, first ball. Probability that first ball drawn is black. There are 10 black. 10 divided by 18 into probability of B given A. If the first ball is black, first ball drawn is black, what is the probability of getting red in the second row? That is same as simply finding probability of B. So here since it is kept back, doesn't make any difference. So what is probability of B getting red ball? Red, 8 red. There are 8 red in 18. So 10 by 18 into 8 by 18, that is equal to 5 divided by 9. 4 divided by 9, that is 20 by 81. That is second probability. So remember, note down that term with the replacement. So in that case, A and B, first and second row, independent. So we can find probability of A into, directly we can find probability of A into probability of B. Now here, next third one, one of them is black and the other is red. Here the question is different. One is black and other, see where two balls are drawn and in that one ball is black and one is red. So probability of getting one black and one red in the two draws. So that here there are two possibilities. First ball is black and second red, or first red and second black. Two possibilities are there. So we have to consider two possibilities. Here there are two possibilities. Third one. One possibility, first ball drawn is black and second is red, or first is red and second is black. So here there are two possibilities. Either we can get first ball black and second is red, or if we get first is red and second black, then in both cases we are getting one black and one red. So we have to consider two cases, find the probability in each case, then we have to add. Therefore required probability equal to first consider first case. First ball is black, first drawn ball is black. What is the probability? First ball black, 10 by 18 into, and the second is red. Second is red means 8 by 18. That is the first case. So in this case the probability is this one, plus second case probability. First is red and second black. First red, that means 8 by 18 into second black, that is 10 by 18. So both are the same terms. So we can write 2 into 10 by 8 into 8 by 18. 10 by 18. Here first black, that is 10 by 18 into second red, 8 by 18. So both 18. So 2 into 10 by 18 into 8 by 18. So cancel 2 here, 5, 9, 4, 9. Then 20 into 2, 40. 40 by 81. So that is the answer, last case. So here one black and one red we need. Find the probability for that. Consider two cases and add. Now see the question number 14. Probability of solving a specific problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively. If both try to solve the problem independently, find the probability that problem is solved. See here what is the experiment? A problem is given to two students, A and B. So what are the possible outcomes? Either both solves the problem. So here we can consider, let A be the event. A solves the problem and B be the event. B solves the problem. So these are the two events. A solves the problem. B be the event. B, student B solves the problem. Now given, what is given? Probability of probability of solving specific problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So probability of A equal to 1 by 2 and probability of B equal to 1 by 3. Now what is probability of A complement? Probability of A complement equal to 1 minus probability of A, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. And what is probability of B complement? That is 1 minus probability of B, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So now here when a problem is given to two students A and B, the possible outcomes, possibilities are A intersection B, A intersection B complement, A complement intersection B, and A complement intersection B complement. These are the four possibilities. Either A intersection B means A and B both solve the problem. Here A solves the problem, B does not solve the problem. Here A does not solve the problem, B solve the problem. Here A and B both did not solve the problem. These are the four possible outcomes. And sum of the probabilities of these four events is equal to 1. Now consider the first probability that problem is solved. We want to find the probability that the problem is solved. That means probability solved means in this case problem is solved. A and B both solve the problem. Here A solves the problem, then also problem is solved. Here also problem is solved because B solves the problem. So in these three cases the problem is solved. So first question, to find the probability that the problem is solved. that is equal to, so first one is probability that the problem is solved equal to probability of this plus probability of this plus probability of this. That is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement intersection B complement, because sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So this probability that problem is solved equal to 1 minus this probability. Probability required probability is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement intersection B complement. That is 1 minus probability of A complement into probability of B complement. Because here they are independent events, therefore we can write probability of A complement into probability of B complement. Now substitute these values and find the answer. Now second question is exactly one of them solves the problem. Exactly one of them solves the problem means this case and this case. So add the probability of these two. So second case, what we have to do? Second question is the required probability equal to probability of A intersection B complement plus probability of A complement intersection B. So we have to add these two probabilities. So that is equal to probability of A into probability of B complement plus probability of A complement into probability of B. Just to simplify and find the answer. Substitute these values. Probability of A into probability of B complement, because they are independent events. So probability of A into probability of B complement plus probability of A complement into probability of B. So substitute this and find the answer. So in these two cases, exactly one of them solves the problem. Exactly one. A only solves the problem. Here B only solves the problem. That is the answer. Find out and simplify and find out the answer.